Hi everyone. Today the last topic is the way to ascend. The one and only way to ascend is through the descent of your higher self into you. You have to be in connection with your higher self 100% of the time. Of course, many paths exist, and I know only one path, the Rainbow Bridge Technique, which I call RBT. Initially, I used to share this with everyone for free, like distributing pamphlets, with the sole intention that everyone should receive it, as it's a very important technique in the path of ascension. Later, I noticed that people were abandoning the technique after hearing about it and not practicing it. It took me 2 years to understand this, so I stopped sharing it for free. I started offering it as energy exchange sessions, and I used the collected amount for grid work. A surprising incident, rather you can say a surprising understanding for me, was that even though people spent money to learn it, they still stopped practicing it after reaching RBT level 2. This is a technique that one needs to practice until they ascend. There may be many reasons for stopping, such as forgetting, lack of time, or something else. If you forget to practice Rainbow Bridge Technique, how will you reach your star worlds? If you feel that you don't have time to practice, then this is the ultimate dimension where you will remain. Friends, understand this, at least now. Those who stopped practicing RBT should restart. Then all your higher self energies will descend to the earth, and the matrix will be removed instantaneously with the help of those energies. If you work in this way, why won't your light quotient increase? Every situation has many hidden phenomena that everyone will not easily understand. Whether you know it or not, it is immaterial. You have to move forward and ascend. Understand that your own guru, who is nothing but your own higher self, respect it. No individual will say, I am the guru and you have to follow and do whatever I say. If anyone says that, they are not in a position to guide others. All the people who walked the spiritual path before you are just way showers and nothing else. You can walk towards or talk about your own preferred path. Finally, ascend through the descent of your higher self. Let's be a part of Mother Earth's ascension, victory of the light. Thank you.